Have you ever been driving down the highway, zoning out? Then something on a giant truck snaps you back to attention? You see a massive dump truck rumbling beside you. Steel frame shaking, engine growling, wheels spinning. Then you notice something weird. One whole set of tires is not touching the ground. They are just hovering, spinning in midair like a glitch in a video game. Your brain immediately goes, "That truck is broken. Something snapped. That wheel is useless." But here's the twist. That useless floating wheel is actually one of the smartest pieces of engineering on the entire vehicle. It helps save roads, saves fuel, reduces toll costs, and even keeps the truck from tearing itself apart during turns. And once you understand it, you will never look at trucks the same way again. The real problem is not the truck. It is the road. Roads look tough. Concrete, asphalt, thick layers of stone and tar. But they have a limit. If too much weight presses down on one small area, the road does not just crack. It gets crushed permanently. That leads to ruts, potholes, and those wavy grooves you feel on highways. That is why governments do not just care how heavy a truck is. They care how the weight is spread out. Imagine walking on soft sand. If you wear high heels, you sink instantly. All your weight is on a tiny point. Now imagine wearing snowshoes. Same body weight, but spread over a much larger area. You stay on top. Trucks use the same idea. That floating set of wheels is called a lift axle. When a truck is fully loaded, say with 20 tons of gravel, 2 or 3 axles are not enough to legally or safely carry that weight. So the driver presses a switch. Airbags inflate. The floating axle lowers. More tires touch the ground. The weight spreads out. The pressure on the road drops. Suddenly the truck goes from road destroyer to road legal. It is basically putting on snowshoes. So why not keep all wheels down all the time? Because money. Big truck tires are not like car tires. Each one can cost hundreds of dollars, and they wear out fast. Every tire touching the road creates rolling resistance, which is the force fighting against the truck as it moves forward. More tires on the ground means the engine works harder. Harder engine means more fuel burned. Over thousands of miles, that turns into a huge expense. Now picture the truck after it drops off its load. It is suddenly much lighter. It does not need that extra axle anymore. So the driver lifts it. Fewer tires on the road means less friction, better fuel economy, and less tire wear. It is basically eco mode for a 30-ton machine. There is also a sneaky bonus. Tolls. On many highways and bridges, trucks are charged based on how many axles are touching the road. More axles, higher toll. Lift that extra axle, and legally, the truck can sometimes be classified as a smaller vehicle. That one-button press can save serious money over time, especially for fleets that cross toll roads every day. So that floating wheel is not just engineering. It is financial strategy. But here is the most important reason of all. Turning. Big trucks hate turning. When a long, heavy truck with many fixed axles tries to take a tight corner, the rear wheels cannot all follow the same path. Some of them get dragged sideways across the pavement. That is called tire scrubbing. It is loud. It shreds rubber. It stresses the frame. It can even damage the road surface. Too many wheels on the ground, and the truck basically wants to go straight forever. By lifting that extra axle, the driver shortens the truck's effective wheelbase. The truck pivots more easily. It can handle tight city streets, construction sites, and sharp turns without destroying its own tires or suspension. So that floating wheel is also protecting the truck from itself. The broken wheel that is actually brilliant. So next time you see a truck with a set of tires hovering above the pavement, you are not looking at a mistake. You are looking at a machine changing its shape in real time. One moment, it is spreading weight to protect the road. The next, it is saving fuel. Then it is dodging higher toll fees. Then it is lifting itself to make a tight turn without ripping its own tires apart. It is engineering, economics, and physics all working together in one simple-looking trick. All from a wheel that does not even touch the ground.